Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, this is an update video. I asked you guys on my Instagram longer ago than I would like to admit because I've just been filming this video, hating it, filming this video, procrastinating, filming this video, deleting it, like for probably like 2 months. And then I asked you guys a couple of weeks ago if you wanted to see just like a normal video or if you wanted an update. And it was, I'll put the photo over here, the screenshot if I can find it. I'm pretty sure it was like literally 50-50. I left work a little bit earlier today so that I could film this video for you guys. So here I am. Apologies on the lighting, as I just said, this is a weekday that I'm filming. So it's probably a little bit like gloomy because it's winter and winter is the worst season. But see, every year, I bet you could go back at my vlogs and you'd hear me saying that I prefer winter to summer, but then you come to the future when it's winter and I hate winter in winter and I hate summer in summer, and then I think that that each one is better when I'm in the opposite season, if that makes sense. But truly the best season is actually autumn. Autumn is the premiere season, especially because my birthday's in autumn. Anyway, we're getting really off track here. So basically this video is going to be a really quick update, probably not that quick, update about where I've been, how I'm feeling, yada yada. Not really an explanation about why I left. I'll give it to you right now. I stopped putting up videos after the Christchurch tragedy because I didn't feel right being like, my life is great. And then I struggled with that for like a couple of weeks, and then I just fell out of the routine of filming and uploading. And then I just have been putting it off and didn't want to film videos. I'll just keep it short and sweet. That's pretty much why. The main reason why I'm filming this video is just to update you guys on like where I've been, like what my fitness journey is looking like, what my work's like, what my life is like, just so that you guys know, because I was doing weekly vlogs for like the longest time and then I stopped. So I thought I'd come back, catch you guys up. Bob's your uncle. So we'll start off with the fitness journey stuff. So as of right now, I'm filming this video, it's June the 20th or something like that. I think, no, it's the 20th of June today. You guys will probably be seeing this over the weekend when I decide if I want to do vlog clips or not. I might wait till the weekend. And I've been on my like fitness journey, this phase of my fitness journey, excuse me, for 1.5 years or a year and a half. I don't know why I said 1.5. A year and a half. And I went through the getting myself motivated stage last year, and I was so motivated. Like, you could ask anybody that I knew. I went to the gym every single day that I was supposed to go to the gym. I didn't go above and beyond. I'm not that kind of person. Like, if I say I'm gonna go 5 times, I would just go 5. I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna go 6. I just went 5 times and I did it. I did my workouts. I ate like way better than I am now, which is what we're getting to. But right now I'm kind of at this plateau. I'm at this rut. Winter doesn't help. Winter is just a struggle because you just want to like eat comfort foods because your body's like hibernation. It's like, I want to get all that blubber, keep me warm. I have noticed since I've lost weight that I am so much colder in the winter time, apart from when it's bedtime, then I'm really hot. It's a whole nother story. I've just been struggling a lot these last probably like month, maybe like month and a half, since kind of almost since April, but I managed to like pick it up, and it was like, I was doing like 3 days a week, and then it went down to like 2 days. And then last week, I think I went once, and the week before that it was once. I'm struggling a little bit at the moment. So I was doing the Work It With MG program. It's like an app, and it was very, very expensive. It was $32 a month. And I did that for 3 months because there was a month free trial, and then I paid for 2 more months. And I really did enjoy the exercises, but if something's not working, so I'm just gonna switch my plan. That's one thing that I don't mind spending money on, is like plans and guides and apps and stuff like that, because if I was to pay a PT, I did like 1 PT session just for some help with my form, and that cost me like $35 or like something like that. And like for 1 month of a plan, it generally costs like $20 to $30. So I don't mind spending money on that. So I'm currently looking for a new plan. Sorry, my phone's going off over there. But I'm currently looking for a new plan to do. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I only like weightlifting plans. I've bought the Sarah's Day plan. I have the Peach plan by Megan Grubb, which I'm not a fan of. I'm kind of thinking of doing Chrissy Sellers' app. So if any of you guys have tried that, let me know. But I'm going to be switching my workout regime. I still want to do weights. I still want to do 4 days a week. I just don't want to do what I'm doing now because it's not working for me. It is full body training. I think I'm more like I more so prefer working the same body type, because I find it really weird doing like a shoulder exercise and then all of a sudden I'm doing legs in the same superset. Like that doesn't really like compute with my brain. So yeah, if you have any ideas, please let me know. In terms of my eating, I keep doing these challenges with myself, which is very unhealthy, very restrictive. I've been doing some research into diet culture, but a lot of the people that I'm following are talking a lot about diet culture and how it's like really negative and diets don't work and blah, blah, blah. Which is not a blah, blah, blah topic, but I'm not going into it here because I haven't made my mind up on it yet. But I have made my mind up on the fact that I am not going to do anything that I don't want to do anymore. Because this month, I wasn't doing junk-free June, as in like the whole raising money aspect, but I was refined sugar-free, fizzy drink-free, takeaway, like fast food-free, had to do the X amount of steps, X amount of, drink 2 liters of water. Like some of those things were like positive, they're all positive really, but I found myself like hating life the past couple weeks. And then I gave it up this week. I'm still doing no refined sugar because I can do that, that's easy peasy. But my new kind of rule of thumb is like, if I don't want to live this particular part of my lifestyle, like why do it? Because life's too short to be like, wow, I'm so glad that I didn't eat that piece of cake because that really made a difference to my life, you know? So that's where I'm at right now. What I'm going to do, and I want to know if you guys want me to talk to you about this, is I'm going to do a re-motivating myself process. I'm not saying it's going to be a series, but if you guys would like me to do videos on it, please let me know. I'm going to be starting probably for the start of July, but I need to do some work on it now. Some new goal setting, like a different type of goal setting and other things like that. So let me know if you guys will be interested in that. The next thing that I wanted to just really quickly touch on was work, because I have lots of people sliding into my DMs and commenting on videos being like, are you still a teacher? And yes, I am still a teacher. I'm still a primary school teacher. Everything is still relatively the same that it was last time I talked about it. The reason why I stopped sharing it so much kind of relates to this topic, but I'm just going to really quickly touch on this very vaguely. But last year, a member of my school community reached out and they had some feedback about my channel, which was like, for the most part, understandable feedback. Like, I wouldn't agree with it, but I can see where they were coming from. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's constructive criticism essentially. And I took it on board and I changed my content, and then like as the months kind of progressed into this year, because it was happening at the end of last year, kind of like over the holidays and into the start of this year, it really like knocked my confidence and my like intention for my channel, and I just kind of started feeling like I didn't want to do YouTube, hence why the break kind of just all fell into the way that it fell in. So I just decided that I was going to not talk about work at all anymore and kind of like adjust my YouTube videos. Not that I've ever been ashamed or worried about what I create, but just to be extra aware. But yeah, that's that. There's nothing else to be said. I don't want you guys to feel bad for me. I don't want you guys to like wonder what they were talking about. It was perfectly understandable and perfectly, you know, everybody can have their own opinion, and it was constructive criticism. So yeah. In terms of my personal life, we're still living in the same house. We're kind of looking for a new place to live. We have outgrown our little flat that we live in. So the three of us are looking for a new place to live. Recently Corpy got a new job. I don't know what else, probably he might not want me to telling you guys about that, but it's very, very exciting for him. He's got a new car, he has a new car, we have a new car, whatever you want to say. It's his car, but we have it, which is cool. Yeah, that's pretty much my life stuff. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about is my hair. My hair is long and dead, so if you guys have any suggestions on good places to get a balayage done, I'm looking at Vivo, because you guys, I am so cheap when it comes to hair, because in all honesty, I don't care about hair. Like, I really don't care. I know you guys can tell. Right now, my hair is limp as shit. It looks terrible. I'm not a hair person, so if you guys know if you guys know that Vivo won't totally like make me go bald and damage my hair to high heavens and make it look terrible, can you please tell me if I should go there? If you have another place that you'd recommend, let me know. Keeping in mind that I have a low budget, because my hair is not something that I will spend money on, because I don't care about hair, okay? I'm not a hair person, never have been, never will be. I do want to get my hair done. I want to get it like chopped probably quite a lot because it's damaged, and I want to get balayage in my hair. So that's something else that's happening. There's not really that much else to say to you guys in terms of my personal life. I went to Dunedin, which was really amazing. I did vlog that, but that was in the long hiatus time, to see my friend Emily for her baby shower. When you guys are watching this video, I'm going to be at Shannon and Hamish's engagement, which I'm not going to vlog because that's not my event, and I'm sure Shannon will be vlogging some of it. I'm really excited. I haven't seen Shannon in like, I only really see her like once every year, and I can't remember when I last saw her. Would have been at an event last year, I think. But I'm so excited to see her. I haven't seen Sally in ages. I'm so excited to see all of those people that I haven't seen in like a million years. I'm so hyped. So that's happening. And yeah, I have just been chugging along, minding my own merry business, trying to be in this Fitspo lifestyle, kind of failing, then being good, then failing. Yeah, work's been good. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to create. I'm not going to give you guys like a schedule. I guess my goal is one video a week. It might be a vlog, it might be a haul, it might be what I eat in a day, it might be a workout video, it might be makeup, it might be whatever, but just kind of like one video a week, just like a mixed bag. I need to readjust because my leg is absolutely dead. Oh, this is painful. Ugh. I don't quite know what I want to make. I have a couple of things that I know that I want to make. I have a haul coming up from like a collective activewear haul of like brands. This is a new brand that I'm wearing right now, plus some Gymshark. Bought lots of shoes. That's pretty exciting. And then I also have a cheap activewear brand, or an inexpensive activewear brand that reached out to me that I'm going to do a video with, just like trying out their stuff really honestly, which I'm excited for. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I started getting my nails done again. These are like 2 weeks old, so they're like kind of you can't really tell, they're a little bit grown out, but I'm going back to my amazing nail lady that I went to for years. I'll leave her linked off down below in case you guys live in Auckland and you want a new nail tech. If you want a nail tech, she is the best. Yeah, because I just felt like being more glam. I don't know, sometimes I like feeling very like tomboyish and like gym queen, like massive muscles, no nails, and I love that look. But like right now, I want to look feminine and like ladylike. Not to say that you can't look ladylike without nails, but yeah. I'm going to leave this video here because I just keep going on and on and on. Like I could find anything to talk about because I obviously haven't filmed a video in a bloody long time. So I just have so much to say. But I'm going to go. I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support on social media and like checking in on me. I am honestly fine. I've just fallen out of the routine is the main thing. I'll leave all my socials linked off down below if you guys want to chat, or of course you can just chat in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye!